Okay, now we're going to do a cross section. So, example question: cross section from GR 210190, 210190, which is here, to GR 230170, which is here. Okay, let me just zoom into that section. Okay, so first step that you need to do is take the edge of your piece of paper, starting at one end from A to B, you're going to mark all the contour lines that fall across, recording what they are. So this is 230. This one here, so this is a 10 meter interval, so this will be 240, 250, again 250. Now we're going back down the slope, 240, 23, down to 22. Always marking where you have creeks or water sources, very important. Okay, then we're going back up to 20, 23, 24, and that's the last one. Okay, so we've marked all our contour lines. Now we take it to a piece of a graph paper that we have. Okay, so say we're starting here at point A, we're going along this line, and stopping here at B. Okay, now first thing that you do is you transfer all your points. You had one point here, there, there. Transfer the points from the paper onto the graph. Okay, and lower you need to indicate what they are. 2, 3, so that you remember for later. 2, 4. 2, 5. I'm just taking out the 0 because we know that they're all multiplied by 10. 2, 4, 2, 3, 2, 2, the creek. 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, and that's it. Okay, now we need to create our vertical scale. Put this paper aside for now. Alright, so say we can use 2 centimeters for every 10 meters. We'll start at 200 down here. Go 220, 240. And 220, 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. We'll do 1 centimeter for every 10 meters. Same on the other side. Okay, so we indicate 210, 220, 230, 240, 250. So I should be going above 250 to up to 260. You always need to go above and below the highest and lowest points. that you recorded. So this is meters above sea level. Okay, now we're going to transfer these up the graph and make a dot that we'll be able to join later. So at this 230 mark, we trace it up and place a dot in line with 230. 240, upwards of 250, again at 250. I'm going to go down to 240, 230, 220. Now the creek we're not going to indicate just yet because we don't know the specific height of the creek. We just know it's in between 220 and 210. 220, 230, and finishing at 240. Okay, so now we join the dots, and you add in the appropriate curve. So we don't just go straight across there, we add a nice curve like you'd expect to see on the land. We have a very sharp dip here. So as long as we don't go above that 250, we'll be fine there. Okay, and now we can add in our creek. And you label that there, creek. Okay, now we have a cross section.